In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can make a wave in Microsoft Word. So let's get started. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and simply type Word. Then click on it under the best match. Click on the blank document. Then we just need to simply look at the ribbon at the top and click on the Insert tab. Now here you can find shapes. Click on the drop down. Then under lines, you need to look for the curved line, okay? Then you will see the plus sign symbol. Now let's drag it or draw the curved line. Now stop, click on your mouse and then down and then click and then up. Why are we going to click? Because if we're not going to click, it will not make a curved line. So click on the turning point and then like that. And then click and it will continue, okay? Okay, so we now created this wave. Now we need to change the color. So you'll have here shape fill. Click on a drop down and then we need to choose a color from here. So let's choose red. It should not be the fill, so no fill, just the outline, okay? Okay, like that. Then we just need to select it and then Control C and then Control V on keyboard, okay? Then let's change the color of this, what we have pasted, okay? And then Control V again and then change the color. And then Control V again and change the color. So it's shape outline. So you have to select the line first so that the shape format tab will appear from here. Now you can choose any of the color from here, okay? And that's it, okay? You can also change the color of the page. Click on the Design tab, Page Color. And that's it. That's how you can easily make a wave in Microsoft Word. So, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.